Go to assembly, new component. The name here we call elbow bar. Press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a circle. Make a circle here with 8.5 millimeters, another one here with 8.5 millimeters, and another one here with 6.5 millimeters of diameter. Okay, we have this. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select these two circle here and select this two circle here. Okay, select line, construction line, make a line between the circles. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 45 millimeters. Okay, select this circle again. Click here in this point, make a circle here with 16 millimeter of diameter. Another one here with 17 millimeters of diameter. And another one here with 24 millimeters of diameter. Okay, we have this. Okay, select line. Make a line here between these two circles here. This line must be tangent. Remove the construction line type here. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point here, and this point here, this point here, and this point here. Okay. Select the line again. Make a line between this point here and this circle. It is not a construction line type, okay? Make sure that this line is tangent with the circle. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, click in this point here and this point here. Go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 5.1 degrees. Okay. Now select the arc, 3-point arc. Click in this point here and this point here and click in this arc here. Select the line here, make a line here between this point here. You can move this a little bit. This line here is tangent with this circle. And this point here coincident here. Okay, we have a fillet here with 6 millimeters of radius. Okay. Now go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point and this point here and click in the arc. Go to sketch dimension. The angle here between these two lines here is 5.1 degrees. Okay. Go to create arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point and this point here. Make an arc here. We have the sketch, okay. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here, extrude this 5 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Okay, select create project, include project. Select this arc here and this arc here. Press OK. We can hide this body, okay. Now select line. Make a line here, make an arc here, a line here, an arc here, and another line here. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this line. Go to select tangent here, make this arc tangent with this line. And this arc must be tangent with this line and the same to this arc here, tangent with this line and tangent with this line. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and the midpoint here is 17.87 millimeters. The radius here is 3 millimeters of radius, and the radius here is 1 millimeter. Go to constraint, horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here. Sorry. Let's move this a little bit. Okay. We have this. Now go to offset. Select all these lines here. Flip this. The distance here is 2.5 millimeters. Let me flip this. Press OK. Now select the line, close the sketch here, and close the sketch here. We forgot something. This line, the distance between this line and this line here is 2.5 millimeters. Okay. We have this, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile, show the body. The operation here is intersect, and the direction symmetric, and the distance all. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to construct, select the offset plane, select this face here, make a plane here with 7.75 millimeters of distance. Okay. Go to create, select the mirror, select this body here, the object type body, the mirror plane, select this plane here. We'll make this, press OK. We can hide the construction line type here. We have this. Now activate the manual clamp. Show the others component here. Okay. Now go to assembly joint. Select this edge here, this inside edge here. And select this inside edge here. Okay. Press OK. Make sure that the motion here is revolute. Press OK. Now go to joint again. Select this circle here and select this face here. The motion here is revolute too. Press OK. Okay, move this here. Okay, we have this. Now go to inspect. Let me see the distance here. 20 millimeters, 0.5. So go to move and copy. Select this body here. Move this. Sorry, create a copy of this. 0. Create a copy. Move here 23 millimeters. And press OK. We have this, okay? Here we finish our exercise. See you in the next video. Bye bye.